state's chief public health officer has said she's already planning to lift some restrictions on what she calls lower risk activities, and those changes could be coming very soon. She said the first of the rules to be eased would be around outdoor activities because the chance of transmission is much smaller. Some of the examples she gave were school sport or travelling to regional areas, but it is important to note in South Australia the two-person gathering restriction has never been enforced. We've always been able to have gatherings of up to 10 people. Beaches and parks have not been closed, so those easing restrictions in WA and Queensland bring those states in line with South Australia, where they're looking at relaxing the rules even further. But the Chief Public Health Officer did say the easing of any restrictions would have to be done gradually, and there are no plans to reopen bars or restaurants anytime soon.
We will be looking at the restrictions and looking at adjusting these in South Australia. But we need to do these in a very staged and sensible way, looking at the evidence from around the world. Some of the things we're starting to learn is that outdoor activities are much less of a risk than indoor activities in terms of transmission, and we need to be taking those sorts of things into account. Also, the number of adults that you would be in close contact with in various different types of activities.
Now, as you touched on, in order to ease some of those restrictions, the state says it will have to step up testing. A 2-week blitz for anyone with any symptoms will wrap up here on Thursday. Health officials then say they'll go a step further, testing anyone and everyone, even without any symptoms of coronavirus. It's not yet clear exactly how they will do that. They've suggested testing either suburbs or particular professions at a time. But while this 2-week blitz has seen significantly higher testing numbers, the state has now done more than 53,000 coronavirus tests in total. We've now recorded our 5th consecutive day with no new cases, and only 20 cases in the state remain active.